Hello, Bastuuds. Lulu wants to know how do you make the green one that comes with onion bhagis? Bhagis? Oh, bhajis. English is so fucking difficult, isn't it? Anyway, for all you lazy bastards out there, full recipe is in the description of this video. I don't want any comments. There's no recipe, guys. There's no recipe. The fucking recipe is there. Okay, it's very, very simple. For the extra lazy bastards out there, I'll talk you through it. You need half a bunch of fresh coriander. You can put the stalks and all the bits and pieces in. No port, no worries. Make sure you wash the bastard, dry the bastard first. 3 or 4 stalks of fresh mint. Take the leaves of the stalks. Don't put the stalks inside. You make it too bitter bastard, okay? It's quite simple. 2 cloves of garlic, a half-inch cube of ginger, little bit salt to taste, and then you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of Chana di dal, which is split chickpeas. The dal is what will help bind this chutney together. You put the juice of half a lemon, squeeze that mustard in, put quarter cup of ice cold water in there, blitz the mustard, mix the mustard proper, take it out, and then add a little splash of water, blend again, and there you fucking have it. Special green chutney. The lemon juice helps it make it extra green. You're going to feel like a fucking pro. You're going to feel like a fucking Indian chef. I don't know how that feels, but you'll feel like it. Enjoy, bastards!